What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dibs Trading. Today I got a nice little video for you guys of a live trade I took this morning. Live commentary of me entering, exiting, thought process behind it, live profits up on the screen, all that. I'm gonna break this trade down for you guys right now. So, as you guys can see right here on this chart, we have the SPY chart for this morning. Today is July 13th, 2022, and you see how I created this little rectangle up top. I created this as my supply zone for the day, for intraday. Why did I pick this level? Because you could clearly see that every time we got to it, sellers took over, heavy selling pressure, brought it right back down. Buyers tried bringing it right back up, sellers brought it right back down. So you could see we wicked there, like we actually touched it like 6, 7 times, maybe even a little bit more. Um, So you could tell that now you can see that's a big resistance and it's a heavy supply zone. Supply and resistance, same thing. You know, that's where people are offloading their shares, and there's going to be a lot of volatility at this level, right? So my rationale for this trade is if we get back up to that 378 level, I'm going to take the reject. I'm going to short it if the buying starts slowing down there. Momentum starts really slowing there, and I see sellers on the tape. I'm going to enter my shorts. And with any resistance, any supply, if the buyers do take over this level, they could really break through it and it'll invalidate the trade. You just gotta cut your losses at some point. If it doesn't go your way, just have a strict stop loss on it. So you'll see in the trade went in my favor. I took my profits quick. What I'm comfortable with. How I take my profits. I was comfortable taking it where I took it, and you'll see that. But later on, this level did break. Buyers did take over, and now they made it a support level. Because now you will see later on. It's not in the video, but you guys will see if you look at the charts that the buyers did take over that level, and I had literally probably the best executed trade there on this initial reject. So yeah, man. Nonetheless, if you guys enjoy this video, I would really appreciate it if you guys dropped a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Link to my Instagram is in the description. We also have a free Discord where I call this play out live. Right before I entered. I post. It's a bunch of traders, really good traders, man, posting watch lists, really good conversations on stocks, and we just all learn and make money together. So if you're trying to make some money, man, come hit that description, join that link, all free, no charge. And if you ever have any questions, just hit me up on Instagram and I'll help you out. All right, let's get to it. All right, SPY's about to hit my supply zone around 378, where I'm gonna take some SPX puts. Let's see how it goes. All right, SPY's about to approach my supply zone that I made intraday. Uh, Heavy supply right here. It kept getting rejected, so I'm expecting another rejection here. Let's see what happens. Alright, I'm about to get in right here. Gonna add 5. See price slowing down a little bit. Alright, I'm in 5 contracts. I'm gonna average up a little bit more. If we get to 378, a little bit above it. Let's wait a little bit. Alright, I'm entering another 5. Cool. Alright, now we're gonna be patient and see how this trade goes. Alright, nice, we're already up 250 for a sec. Yeah, we're getting rejected right here. There's a lot of selling pressure right here. Yep. Let's give it a little bit of time. I'm gonna be a little patient with it. I could take profits right here, but I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. Alright, I'm gonna take 5 off right here. See if it'll fill me. Oh, I didn't get filled. Should get filled here. Let's see. I got 4 for 5 there. Alright, I'm selling 5 here. I could hold longer, but I'm not gonna get greedy. There we go, nice $800 trade. There we go. That was a live reject for you guys, man. $800, and I don't even know, what was that, like a minute or two? Let's get it.